Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, India. Her father, Aghor Nath Chattopadhyay, was a carpenter of science from Edinburgh University. From the years of her very early childhood, she showed signs of exceptional talent. She got married to Dr. Naidu of Andhra Pradesh in 1895. She was also known as the Nightingale of India. Her birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day in India. This great leader and freedom fighter used to write poems and also sing very well. Sarojini Naidu began writing poems in English while she was still in school. With the help and inspiration of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, she found her way into the politics of India. She got closely involved with the freedom movement of the INC, Indian National Congress. She became a member of the Royal Literary Society, London. She also became the president of the Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu took active part in the civil disobedience movement, Satyagraha movement, and the Quit India movement. She was also sent to jail several times. Lastly, India got independence in 1947 and Sarojini Naidu was made the governor of the Uttar Pradesh state. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress. She was also the first Indian woman to become governor of any state in India. Sarojini Naidu passed away on 2nd March 1929. She has left a great name for herself in the history of India. Thank you.